Oh, he's coming. He's looking at me. If you watched the last video, you saw us getting this Jon Boat ready and giving a little test run, catching some bass. Well, today we're gonna drive an hour and a half from the Florida Keys all the way into the Everglades, out to Flamingo. We're gonna put this Jon Boat in, we're gonna put the trailer to the test, but check this out. We got ourselves newest invention. We're gonna become rich. Portable trailer lights. So we just clamp them on the back. They're grounded out. Nice little wire runs over the boat. Any excess wire, you know, you just put it there. Shouldn't go anywhere, and that plugs right into the truck. And when you don't need the lights, you just unplug it, unclip them, and you got yourself some portable trailer lights. What do you think?
I hope it works.
Hope it works. All right, we're gonna drive now. We're gonna go get some ice, get some drinks. All our rods are in the truck already, and
I hope the lights don't fall off. That's my only concern.
yeah, if the lights fall off, and somebody videotapes it, we're definitely gonna be on Qualified Captain. Any view's a good view, right? All right, we are at the Circle K, just about to leave the Keys, and I got myself a little snack. And Amber Alert, these, what are they? The rack of rib stackers. I always buy them and they taste absolutely terrible. But for some reason, I always want them. I don't know what's wrong with me. Haven't figured that out yet. But look, the lights are holding pretty good. We've been driving for about 10 minutes and everything is still holding up nicely. And now we got about an hour, 20-minute drive ahead of us. We're going deep into the Everglades. And hopefully we find some slot snook or some slot tarpon and catch some dinner tonight. We just made one more last stop. We were at Don's Bait and Tackle, and we went in there. We were like, what do we use to catch some snook and tarpon? And boy, did we do some shopping. What'd you get over there? I got these Z-Mans. You got some gulp
tails.
Gulp paddle tails.
Gulp jerk shad.
Oh yeah. What are those?
Some saltwater assassin sea shads.
Saltwater assassin. I got some of these gulp. What are they? Shads, or they're white? Yeah, jerk shads. Those should do good. And then we got these like hooks. What are they? Jerk bait hooks. They got these little twisties on the lip of them where you twist on the plastics. We got 20-pound fluorocarbon and some 30-pound fluorocarbon. A measuring stick so we can measure our snook. Hopefully we catch a keeper. And we got our PC Fun reels that we're gonna be putting to the test. Big shout out to channel sponsor PC Fun. Now we're gonna drive into the Everglades. We have arrived. There's the visitor center. We're at the Everglades National Park. Beautiful day, blue skies. Hopefully they let us in. All right, we just went into the entrance of the Everglades National Park, and you have to buy Everglades National Park Pass. It lasts for a year, and it was 55 bucks? $55. So that's what it costs. I'd say that's pretty cheap for a whole year pass, so we better get every penny out of it and do a couple more Everglades trips after this one. But now we have a 38-mile drive along this beautiful road that's gonna take us all the way to Flamingo, where the boat ramp is. So sit back and enjoy the scenic ride. All right, we've made it to Flamingo Park. Turn the truck off and check it out. We're here, boys. Got the Jon Boat trailer holding up perfectly. The ball bearings aren't overheating or anything. It's pretty freaking great. Forgot to tell David that there's massive crocs out here and they're gonna chase us every time we catch a fish.
I'm up for it.
We're going gator hunting next week anyway, so we might as well get a little bit of practice here. But I have my GoPro strapped on my chest now. We're gonna switch to that, get the boat ready, drop it in, and start casting some lines. Look how great my light invention is. You just unplug the trailer lights, take the wire. I already unclipped the lights, and that's all there is to it. We got paddles, we got fishing poles. I think we got everything we need for a good time.
An ancient motor.
Ancient motor that shall not fail us. Let me drop this bad boy. Camera bag there. I'm gonna try to remember that I have the drone. Let's see if we can't get her started in the first pull, shall we? Dude, first pull. I'm good to go. You can hop on. Dude, that little 25 right there would be money. All right, we're officially in the zone. We're fishing, well, we're boating. Yep, I turned it off. It's time. I'm gonna move to the front here. All of this tree line here should hold tarpon and snook and black drums and all sorts of good stuff. First one to get a bite wins something. Oh, you're already throwing a bait out? Look at you go. Tossing the paddle tail. If you hooked up on the first cast, I'd be very confused. Yeah, that thing is like a freaking beast of a lure. All right. Drop the trolling motor in. All right, trolling motor works. Perfect. Now I'm gonna rig up. All right, for my first setup, I got the Carbon X 500 with 8-pound braid, PC Fun reel on a light action rod with this hook with a little twirly thing here. I'm gonna use the Gulp Jerk Shad White or Glow. You ever use one of these things before?
Not that one specific.
Me either. I don't know how to do this. I guess you just kind of... What? Twist it on. Oh, it's twisting on. It's actually twisting on. Okay, mine's not super beautiful, but I think it'll get the job done. Wow, that is some smooth casting right there. I was just giving mine a test run. All right, it swims good. Let's go to the trees. I bet you the fish are under these trees. Damn, look, those guys are over there. That's where I really want to go, but there's already people over there. Hot dogs. Okay, we got a big fish right in front of the boat. Oh my, there's the Everglades tour boat making a big old ruckus out here. Dude, this is such beautiful scenery. Can't get over it. Almost hit that tree. I'm on. Oh, shoot. Dude, I just got bit. Just make sure it's weedless. There's no hook edge sticking out of your thing. It's like maybe 2 or 3 feet deep right here. Yeah, that looks good. Let me see it. Let's see your bait. Oh, you got a paddle tail on there? Okay. Nice. I think it'll be good. Oh, dude, I'm getting bit. I'm bit. I'm on. Oh my God. Dude. I don't want that boat to see us over there. Dude. Did you see that? Dude, that's a tarpon, right? Oh my God, this is sick. This reel sounds so good too. It's such a nice drag. White shad, but they'll probably hit any paddle tail. Dude, he's a spunky one. He's a spunker. Nah. Dude. Oh, nice jump, nice jump. Gotta really wear them out. I need to grab him at some point here. Should I net him or just grab him by the mouth? Oh! Oh yeah. This is where you gotta watch out for gators. No, I'm good. All right, he's dehooked. Look at that. Beautiful tarpon. Oh yeah, look at him. Yeah, baby. All right, I'm gonna let him go. Nice. Bouncing it off the bottom. That made me so happy right there. Okay. All right, there we go. Ready for round 2. That's the good stuff right there. Dude, watch, I bet I hook up again on this cast. You know what's funny? That tarpon picked it up off the ground while I was filming your bait. I felt him nibbling it. So like it was sitting on the bottom for a while before that tarpon picked it up. All right, you need to catch a fish now so we get the skunk fully off the boat. Sometimes the fish are like, oh, like way up in there under the mangrove roots. Oh, I just got whacked. Damn it, come back for it. I don't see why they wouldn't hit your paddle tail right now. Oh, that was probably my best cast today. David just had a huge hit. Oh my God. I thought for sure that fish was about to just explode.
In his mouth. I wasn't really trying to set it, but
you really got to set up. Oh, oh. Cause like if it's a snook, they got them hard ass mouths. You really got to like, tarpon would be cool. My heart rate's going crazy. Did he just like grab it while you were slowly retrieving it?
yeah, I was just doing a slow retrieve and I just watched him come and roll right on it.
Damn, so he just, damn. Oh my God, that was a perfect cast. Tarpon or something just smashed right up here around this corner. Okay, it was like right over there. Right there, something just splashed. Oh, I just got bit, dude. It happened so fast. I wasn't ready. Holy, big fish. Oh, wait. My guy's all messed up. There's a lot of bait over there. Dude, a tarpon just swiped at mine. Oh! Damn. Dude, there's so much bait right here. They're biting my artificial. Ooh, that was a good cast. Something bit me pretty good right there. This is it. I'm gonna catch a fish on this cast. Oh, oh, something just ate me. Something ate me. Here we go. Oh, it's a honeybee. Thought it was a wasp. No! He spit it. Oh. Dude, did you see him flying with...
That's exactly what happened to mine. He came like a flash out of nowhere and just blew up on it.
That was crazy. That was cool. Wow, we can cast these things so far, it's crazy. I want something we can eat though. Me neither. Not even sure if I've heard any. I heard a couple thumps, but it's in his mouth. I'm gonna set the hook on him. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Dude, I might have waited a little too long. I think he was chewing on it for a while and then he spit it out. Damn it. I don't know what just happened. Oh, I'm bit. I'm bit. Come on. Dude, they're just playing with me. What's going on down there? Oh my God. Yeah, it's like a foot or two. Dude, that was an insane bite. You could feel the energy come off of that bite. You could always cut off like 20, 30 feet of that line if you want. Make it easier on yourself. This looks like a nice spot. Nice and shady. This is another nice, beautiful spot. Dude, we almost died to that wasp. Listen, I'm confident we're each gonna catch 2 more nice fish. I heard him. I heard that hornet. Come to daddy. Oh yeah, there's a bird too. Maybe we can catch that guy. They weren't smashing as hard as earlier where they were just smashing every like 10 seconds. Maybe they're in the shade. Hey. Oh my God. No, what happened? Oh, I got the branch. Oh, it came off perfectly. That's not luck. That was skill. Oh, you got lucky there. Dude, there's gotta be snook here. I don't understand. I don't even think I was recording. Damn it. All right, we got a snook on, boys. Oh my, yeah. Oh my, dude. David, where's your fish?
I'm trying.
Slurp down the Chad. Yeah, beauty. All right. Dude, that was sick. I was just letting it sink right next to the boat, like right here. And then I just felt boom, and I was like, oh. And I kind of let him take it for like 3-4 seconds. All right. Look at him. Dude, look at him go. That was cool. This is the jerk shad you want, the glow color. You want one? Put one on. Dude, so I think this snook just like they're just all sitting right here.
Yeah.
We can just drop it right on top of them. That's crazy. What's this beautiful koozie? Is that the South Florida Fishing Channel koozie? I think it is. Come on, David. We're not going anywhere until you catch fish. Doesn't matter how late it is. Oh my God, that is a shark. I see him. Oh yeah, I got him on video. That looks like maybe a bull shark.
It's probably like 4 feet, right? 3 feet.
Oh, there he is. This might be a good area. He was just checking out this area. Keep following him. Hold on, I want to cast. Like there's a fish bound. It spit it. That was a snook?
Yeah.
Oh man. Wow, we were just trolling. Oh, he beat up my thing pretty good. That was pretty sweet. Yeah, I think so. Dude, I saw him slam it too. Dude, he freaking whacked it. All right, back to trolling. That actually was pretty,
Productive.
yeah, that was pretty productive. All right, back on the troll. We're trying to get the Jon Boat on the trailer. We're having some difficulties getting the Jon Boat on the trailer. Here, you know what? I should just drive it. Oh my God, look at this guy.
That's what I'm saying, man. That's why I was not comfortable with sitting over a bed like this.
He's watching you.
Dude, no.
There's the other one. Classic. All right.
Oh my God, there's another one right here, bro. That one's watching you like he just went under.
Now where the fuck did he go?
He's waiting for you, watch out.
Okay, we got the Jon Boat on the trailer. That was not easy at all because we try to put the Jon Boat, we try to winch it on. We found out it's easier if you have the bunks out of the water and you just drive it on, but we learned the hard way. And while we were trying to push the thing on, this freaking crocs just kept coming up to us. That thing is massive. Dude, when I was standing over here, I looked over and he was 5 feet right next to me, and I was just like, what?
And this guy was chilling just around the corner, waiting for us to just make a slip, and then he's gonna come charging, dude. They're waiting.
Dude, he's so big. That's a big croc. Oh, he's coming. He's looking at me. What do we got?
He's moving closer. Look at
He's coming in?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Dude.
Are you kidding? Holy, this is a big crocodile.
He's missing his bottom jaw. Look, he's missing a chunk of it.
Fight with another croc.
Dude, I dare you to jump on that right now. Just jump on it.
Doesn't matter how many views.
It's kind of a weird thought to think that we were just standing 2-3 feet deep, getting the Jon Boat in, and look what's just laying here. Dude, he could jump and grab me right now, I think. Dude, get a picture of this. Come on, bub, where are you going? Look at his little feet. Should I grab his tail? We'll leave the crocodile alone. How did the view from the GoPro strapped to the Jon Boat look? Look at how beautiful it is out here. Breathtaking.